Incremental greetings. Let's continue with the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's the turn for the task manager. Fowl doesn't cover that. He covers the tasks, but not the task manager. So let me go to my collection. How you can access that? There are two ways. You can go to the main menu, toolkit, task list, or use the key binding F4. Let's do that. In my case, now I only have one task, the one I created from the previous video. If I have more tasks, regardless of where they are in the knowledge tree, I will see them. So now let's actually do it. That's what I did before. Is how on earth the description is empty? Because I didn't edit the description. What I did is the content, which now is the title as well. To the video about Supermemo is not popular. Okay. What is this? First, I can add a task here right away. I don't have to go necessarily edit, add new task, or convert a topic to a task. So let's do that. So we have a more meaningful example. Okay. So I will just do another video. Let's go meta. Record video about task manager. I will need about half an hour to do all of the editing. It's not just a record, it's just uploading the video. Sorry, the time is 30, the value is very low. How many people I think they will be interested in tasks? Let me be very optimistic and put 5%. Remember, this is how I use my heuristic. I could also value the task of how much I will pay someone to record and publish this video for me. And the deadline is because I want to record more videos and it's in sequence in this case. So the deadline will be tomorrow. It's just an example. Usually in Supermemo, if you work with tasks, you're in incremental reading. You work incrementally. So the deadlines will be long. So let's put something realistic. So if I follow this flow, I could record videos in parallel or edit those in parallel, which at some degree I did in the past. But in this video, require a sequence, so I will be bypassing this incrementalism, or I will be releasing this course in 2028. Then, do you see the value? Before it had like 60,000, something ridiculous. It doesn't update right away. Now I see that the value is 0.05. Gotcha. It's up by priority already. By the way, remember this priority is not the same as the element priority. Then I have the deadline here. Now, one question that you may have is, okay, I created the tasks here. What it is? Because I'm using the task list now. Alt-C, and it's right here. I was here in this element, so it just creates a ceiling where you are. That means that if you just press add task and so on, and you don't care about the knowledge tree, you will have tasks in random places because they will be ceilings or at where you were at that moment. Imagine that it's like Supermemo, by the way. Supermemo tracks bugs using this, and they have a list of more than 5,000 bug reports, which, by the way, they're not going to be fixed. So imagine I have 5,000 elements here. Elements that are tasks. This comes into handy to sort by priority and all of that. You can also sort here manually. Always by priority. I think you cannot sort by anything else unless you do even if you click the header, you cannot sort by deadline, which would be meaningful to have, or by time. Again, you cannot sort by that. Nice. Then, if you select it, you can also delete the task. You will delete the task in the list. Let's do that. It's okay. I went to my root element for whatever reason. What reason? It's because now the element is gone. So you're deleting the task as in the task list, but also the element at the same time. Then if now I press F4, it doesn't work. Why? Because it requires the element window. Remember, this window, the element window, to be active. Once it's active, focused, the key binding works. And that's all you need to know about the task list, at least for now. See you in the next video.